Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. So, in our today's topic, we will discuss about the classes of the colloids. Before the start of the lecture, you guys must know that what does mean by the colloids. In our previous lesson, we have learned about the colloids. Mainly, when we have a look on the colloids, these are the heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture means that is having no uniform composition throughout. It is known as the heterogeneous. These are heterogeneous mixture. Along with that, it is having two phases. The number one phase we have, it is dispersed phase, and the second one we have dispersion medium. So how we can distinguish between dispersed phase and the dispersion medium? Mainly when we are having a solute and solvent. So the dispersed phase will work like the solute and the dispersion medium will work like a solvent. So this is a simple overview about dispersed phase, dispersion medium and the colloids. Now the colloids have been divided into different classes. The number one class we have sol, second one we have gel, third one we have the liquid emulsion, fourth one we have foam, fifth one solid aerosol, next liquid aerosol and the solid emulsions. All these are the classes of the colloids, and we also use in our daily life, but we don't know that these are really colloids. For example, we use paints at home. So this is the colloid. We use gelatin or jellies at home. This is the mainly colloid. We use a shaving cream. It is mainly alkaloid. We use whipped cream that is edible. It is alkaloid. We use cheese in the pizzas, in many sandwiches. This is alkaloid. As we have see the clouds in the sky. These are the colloids. And the last one, smoke. It is also a colloid in nature. That is a mixture. So let's discuss this one by one. The first one we have sol and gel. When we have a look on the sol and gel, so mainly sol, it is the solid dispersed in the liquid. When the solid particles get dispersed in the liquids, this is mainly a colloid. And the main example for this we have, which is the mud in paints. When the mud get dissolved in the paints, this is known as the sol. So here in this picture you can see that the mud has been dissolved in the paints. So this is the mud solution, or we can say that the paint mixture. Next we have gel. When the solid network extended throughout the liquid, it's mean mainly we have the liquid and the all the solid network extended throughout. Likewise, which is present in the gelatin as well as in the jellies. They are softer, but we can say that it is a structure as a semi-solid. So this is called as the gel, which is the class of the colloids. Next we have the third and the fourth class of the colloids, which is the liquid emulsion and the foam. When we have the liquid emulsion, basically in liquid emulsion, a liquid dispersed in the liquid. It means both the dispersion medium and the dispersed phase are in the liquid phase. And the example, which is the most important example, we have milk. So when we are talking about the milk, mainly milk is a colloid and it falls under which category? It is a liquid emulsion. And in milk we have seen that the water plus milk, because mostly percentage of water is present in the milk. Then the fourth class of the colloid is foam, where the gas dispersed in the liquid. So here the example we have mayonnaise. When we are talking about the mayonnaise, so it mayonnaise or we have whipped cream. So this is mainly a foam as the gas dispersed in the liquid. All these are the heterogeneous mixture, but they look like as a homogeneous in nature. Next class of the colloids we have, it is the solid aerosol and the liquid aerosol. When we are talking about the solid aerosol, as the word solid is going to denote solid dispersed in the gas. Aerosol is the word showing the gas and the solid is from the solid. So here the solid will be dispersed phase and that gas will be the dispersion medium. So the simple example for this we have smoke from the auto exhaust. This is a smoke that is from the vehicles. This is a simple example of the solid aerosol. It means smoke is basically a colloid in nature, which is having this solid particles or the carbon particles in the gas. So dispersion medium here will be the gas and the dispersed phase will be the solid carbon particles. Next we have liquid aerosol. When we're talking about this, here the liquid dispersed in the gas. Here we have the liquid, the word this is, and the aerosol again showing the gas. So when the liquid dispersed in the gas phase, here the liquid we have it is dispersed phase and the gas here it is the dispersion medium. So dispersed phase and dispersion medium when the liquid dispersed in the gas, and it is a class of colloid which is known as the liquid aerosol. And the example for this we have it is sprays in which the liquid is dispersed in the gas phase. So all these are the classes of the colloids that we have, and you guys may check the more examples of the colloids from our daily life use things, and in this way you may be able to know which one thing is a colloid and in which class it is going to be fall. And this is all about today's lecture. In the next topic we will discuss about the miscible and the immiscible liquids that depends upon the nature of the liquids, whether it is polar or non-polar, and whether it is soluble or not. So for that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.